Like everyone else in Texas, I was out hitting the grocery today.
I'm Snowstorm grocery shopping at Sprouts, and there's really not too many people here.
I was kind of surprised because there really weren't that many people. I found a new section of pre-made meals, but what I really wanted was the poke.
I swear every time I come here, I have to wait forever at the meat counter. That's my only complaint. I love Sprouts, but
Of course, I had to stock up on some drinks and then all the fruits. Then I started thinking I want to make chili, because who doesn't want chili when it's snowing? So I found all of those ingredients, and then I ran into my favorite soup dumplings. I did a once over on my cart, and then I headed out as fast as I could. Have you done your snow day shopping yet?